Okay, so moving along with our development process, in this video we'll cover steps 3 and 4 of adding the member button to the login status component and also defining a protected route for the members page component. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and move over to the login status component and open up this login status component.html file. So this is where we have our buttons, and we're going to add one more button for the member button. And I'll just move down here and I'll actually copy one of the previous lines. Just do a little copy paste. And this snippet of code here for the ngIf, let's remove this for right now. We'll actually add it back later, but I want to just show you how the application will work if we don't have this piece of code there. And we'll also move the click portion of the code. And we'll add a router link here. So this will be a router link to /members. And the actual button will have the text of member. And there's one small thing I want to do here, just a cosmetic item here. I want to add a Bootstrap CSS style just to give us some margin space on the left. So ML1 for 1px. All right, so that's our new member button that we've just added to this login status component. Alrighty, so now we're up to step 4 of defining a protected route for the members page component. And this is probably the most important part of this demo. So I'll move down to my app module.ts file. And I'll move down to the section where we define our routes. And I'll copy one of the previous routes and just kind of paste it here to have something to work with. And this path will be members. The component will be the reference to that new component that we just created, the members page component. And now for the important part is setting up our route guard. So we make use of that can activate. And then we give a reference to the Okta auth guard. So remember, this is our route guard that we've set up here. And basically, if authenticated, we'll give access to the route, else we'll send the user to the login page. And then one other thing I need to do here, I need to make a code update into this Okta config. I need to add one more parameter here. I'll just call it Okta auth, comma, and we have the injector. So just make sure you add this new entry here for this Okta auth. Alrighty, so we're in good shape here. We define this new route here for members and we set up our route guard accordingly. So this looks really good. I think I'm ready to test this out.